Okay, folks, there's the setup. Got the little kickstand on her. Of course, I've already run it. I already know what to expect. But yeah, I'm gonna just show you. I'm not gonna try to talk because this thing will be loud, you know. But you'll see where she's working and where she's not. To show you, I got a little piece of bright green thread here on this thing, and you can see where she's blowing and she's not. Right. I got her hot glued that bad boy on there. So that's it. So if you're ready, put your goggles on and let's dive in. You ready? Let's go. Put her on high speed. I'll twist it a little bit so you can see that it is blowing. What you see there is we've actually got, you know, this thing's upside down, right? So this is the front side. We actually got a bit of air across here, about 3/4 of an inch away from this tank. We've got a strip of air here. It seems like the dead area is here. We've got good air up in here, good air out this way. So we're going to need to direct air to this point here, and maybe a little up front too, but say about the size of your hand, about right here. So awesome little test, right? And so what we can do, let me pick this up. What we can do is, you see the thing's just it's just flipping and flopping. So what you saw there was air blowing it up. Good test. Again, thanks to Mr. Giles, Todd. That was awesome. Throwing that in there. Again, it's not about velocity and you know, all air pressure and all that. I mean, we're just trying to see, like he was in his response to me, that are we getting air to the whole cooling surface? And obviously we're not. So looking at it upside down, this bit here in the center, right, needs to get some more air. you'd have thought the air would have just jumped right to that far side, but it doesn't necessarily. So the good thing about this is we can go ahead and put some pieces of cardboard in there and then try it again. And did we do better or worse? And then, you know, it's quick changeable. We can spend a day or two messing with this and still be okay with our timetable of getting everything done. So there you go, little science class right before dinner time. As you see, the boss just pulled up there, so she's probably yakking on the phone. But yeah, we're going to get ready to get some dinner going and think about it some more. And we'll come out and work on it again. Thanks for hanging out with me this afternoon, folks. Again, Todd, it was good find, great find with that video. This is even better than you know, doing it on the go-kart. So there we go. Talk to y'all soon.